guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share this healthy vegan Alfredo pasta that I've been making lately. And I love this recipe because it's filling, it's nutritious, and it feels like comfort food, but it's healthy. You don't feel sluggish afterwards. So let's get started. Alright, so for this recipe I'm going to be using cauliflower, organic brown rice penne pasta. I got this pasta from Trader Joe's and I must say the ingredients are pretty good. Okay, so then I'm going to use some nutritional yeast, salt, onion salt, black pepper, garlic, fresh garlic, frozen veggies, spinach, asparagus, button mushrooms, and plant milk. Right here I'm using some oat milk. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by cutting up the cauliflower just like this, and then I'm gonna steam it until the cauliflower is soft. Alright, so after it's done steaming, I'm going to throw in the cauliflower into my food processor, but you can also use a blender. But you know what? One of my favorite kitchen gadgets is my food processor. We love each other. I use her all the time. She's just there for me all the time. Okay, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of onion salt and, a tablespoon of black pepper. You can add the black pepper to taste, but I love black pepper, so I went big on this one. And then I'm going to use 1 head of garlic, and I'm going to add the oat milk to this. I know I showed 3 heads of garlic, but I'm just going to use 1. And then I'm going to blend it up. Alright, so this consistency, it's a little too thick for me, so I want to thin it out a bit more. And, oh yeah, and I forgot to add the nutritional yeast, so there it is. And then I'm going to add water because I ran out of oat milk. But you can also use veggie stock or just water works fine. You don't have to use oat milk, but I like the oat milk because it gives it like a sweetness to it. But if you don't want a sweetness to it, then you can use something else. Okay, so now that the cream is done and it came out nice and creamy, I'm gonna saute the veggies, starting off with the mushrooms. And you know what? I decided not to use oil, so instead of oil, I'm gonna use water so that the veggies don't stick to the pan here. And yeah, let's just make it all healthy. Go big or go home, right? Alright, so after that I'm going to use the asparagus because I love how my pee-pee smells after eating asparagus. And then I'm going to add the frozen veggies as well. I'm going to saute that around. The frozen veggies have peas, green beans, carrots, and corn, by the way. And yeah, they're from the frozen section in Trader Joe's. Alrighty, so now I'm going to add the cream to this. And yeah, I'm just going to mix it up and let everything come together. All the flavors need to meet each other. Hi, how are you? I am cauliflower cream. What's your name? Oh, I'm just mushroom. How are you? Oh, I like you. Okay, let's hang out. Okay, we need more cream. So yeah, I'm adding more cream. I don't want it all to go to waste. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna keep mixing this, and then I'm gonna add the pasta that I've already boiled and everything. You just follow the package instructions and just cook it until it's soft. And I didn't really cook it al dente, I just cooked it all the way, what ifs. And then I'm gonna add the spinach, and I'm just gonna, saute everything until the spinach wilts. I think that's the correct term, but you get the point, until the spinach is like smaller and it doesn't look like a salad. And it just, just combine everything and just continue to introduce everyone here. This looks like a party. Alright, so now I'm just gonna keep sauteing this, and I added some more salt to this because it needed more salt. And yeah. Alright, so this is done. So now I'm gonna plate it up. You guys, this pasta recipe, Alfredo pasta recipe, is so versatile. You can use whatever veggies you have, you can use whatever pasta you want, but I do recommend using the cauliflower cream sauce because it is a game changer. It is so good, so good. And then cauliflower is so good for your brain, so good. Alright, so I'm gonna taste this and enjoy this and eat it, and yeah, I hope you guys make this recipe, and please subscribe and hit that bell notification button because I will be posting way more videos so that you can be notified whenever I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. I love you guys. Bye bye.